Hello and welcome to our stitch tutorial for our Heirloom Afghan crochet along. Today we'll be working on the stitch for block 1, which is the single crochet. So let's get started. We already have a piece of work started here. We have our yarn on the hook and we're going to be working across the row of stitches here. We're going to work into this stitch, going through both the front loop and the back loop. So let's begin. We're going to take our hook, going through the stitch from the front to the back, going through both front loop and back loop, grabbing our yarn and pulling it through so we have 2 loops on our hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through both loops on the hook, completing a single crochet. Let's try that again. We're going to be working in this next stitch here. We're going to place our hook through the stitch, ensuring that we get both the front loop and the back loop. We're going to grab our yarn and pull it back through so that we have 2 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through both loops that are on the hook. You've created another single crochet. Let's do another one here. Placing our hook through the stitch, grabbing our yarn and pulling it through so that we have 2 loops on our hook. Wrapping our yarn around the hook and pulling it through to complete our single crochet. Again, we'll work through this stitch here. Place your hook through the stitch from the front to the back, making sure you have both the front and the back loop on the hook. Wrap your yarn and pull it through so that you have 2 loops on the hook. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. Let's speed things up a little bit. Through the stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Place your hook through the stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn around your hook and pull it through both loops on the hook. And here we have a lovely row of single crochet. Watch this video as many times as needed until you're comfortable with the single crochet, and be sure to join us for our hashtag Heirloom Afghan CAL as we crochet along together, creating a beautiful Afghan. Until we see you then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day.